Hey, how are you? Linda Borgie from Farmyard. Happy spring to everyone. Happy spring. Let's not forget that spring brings new life. And here at Mr. G's Eggplant Factory, here's Mr. G. Let me flip the phone around so you can see Mr. G. It's Mr. G. He's such a help, man. He mops. He uses the rototiller. He's outstanding. And I just want to show you what we're doing here at Mr. G's Eggplant Factory, farming a yard. Now, first and foremost is cow manure. Home Depot actually has this cow manure on sale for $1.87 a bag. Can you see it? Earth Grow. And it's not terrible. I mean, it has 51% manure. Okay? And it smells like cow manure, like it should. So, what I'm doing here is this is an eggplant factory, and I get a constant flow of skins that I send to an organic farm 2.5 miles away. But here I'm putting the skins in the trench that I dug and put the paper down, right? On top of these skins, I'm putting the manure. And why am I doing that? Because these little buggers, these are tomatoes. This is a black and blue cherry tomato. They want Thanksgiving dinner 24/7. So this should compost in place. The paper, the food grade paper, the skins, and the composted cow manure. It's going to grow a really great crop of tomatoes. I can feel it. So these containers here, these tower containers, my cousin has, I don't know, a whopping supply of these when he tried to grow eggplant in them a few years back. But you can't grow eggplant in them because it's not enough soil. But it definitely is enough soil for flowers like Status and Cleome. I mean, there's quite a few flowers. And for greens like dinosaur kale or red Russian. You know, they'll grow small, but that's when you should eat them anyway. So over here I completed the cucumber trellising, okay? So here it is. Here's one of them. This is the roller coaster one. There they are. They're down there, and they're along the back, and they're gonna climb all the way up this, and their fruit is gonna hang through these 4-inch nylon squares. And you know, the ones I'm growing, because I can't just grow regular cucumbers, no way. These are lemon cucumbers. They look like lemons. When you cut them open, they look like a lemon, but they're not. They're a cucumber. Now, this is a different modality of trellising. I just want to show different ways of doing things. Okay? And here's a line of cucumbers here, and they're the Sumpter, and they're regular cucumbers. I love pickling, so therefore lots of cucumbers. This here, this baby, this is my gravity-fed drip irrigation system. Okay, it's 30 gallons. Off of it, I have a 2-way splitter and 2 soaker hoses. And these soaker hoses, by the time I'm done, will be in the ground, will be kind of buried on top of things. This bed right here is going to be for root crops, and today is a root day. So I will do up half of this bed in rainbow carrots, and the other half will be in Detroit dark red beets. Yepperoo, superfoods. And this bed still needs to have it top dressed. So there you go. Here's my little washing station. Scrub-a-doo. I've got white washcloths down that away. And these are containers that I have a steady flow of. This is parsley. These are food grade containers. So what I had my cousin do was put 5 big holes on the bottom, and I'm gonna put the caps underneath them upright and put that down there. So if we get a steady water flow, it'll capture it in the bottom. But because they're food grade containers, right, it makes it really good to grow food in them. How about that? How about that, kiddos? So that is all for now, brown cows. Filming live here from Brooksville, Florida, just north of Tampa. Growing healthy people, farming a yard. And if anyone would like to, in fact, farm their yard right now to start to grow food, no matter where you are in the country, it doesn't matter. Just ask me questions. I am here to be of service. Yes, indeed. So I will once again catch you on the flip side, my friends. And until then, grow healthy people. Da-dun, 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 da.